Hello, in order to switch the digital lens on GoPro Hero 13, if you use the easy controls mode, then in the video mode on the left side over here, you will probably find this W letter over here, which is for the digital lens. So you can tap it, and then on the right side you can move the slider in order to switch to linear and horizontal lock. You can also switch it to linear, wide, SuperView, and HyperView. Now, in addition to that, you can turn on the Pro controls. So swipe from the top towards the bottom, go to the next page, then tap Controls, switch to Pro, tap Anyway in order to close it, and then swipe from the bottom towards the top. And now, while still, you can go to the same option again. You can also tap on this icon on the right side at the bottom. There we go. And now if you scroll down just a little bit, you will find digital lenses option over here as well. So you can switch to SuperView and HyperView and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!